I am TBI Journey, and today I would like to welcome you to my very first Get Ready With Me. Stay tuned. So in today's video, I'm going to do my makeup, listen to some music that I downloaded off of YouTube. So we should be okay there. If you hear the music, that's what you're hearing. And I'm going to get ready. Life is crazy. Life is insane. If I keep looking down, it's because I'm putting product. I can't even get it. And if I do this, it's because I'm using the lighting from outside. Well, I've still got it. So this video may or may not be long because I'm basically going to slap it up the way it is. I may do some editing, but we're just going to figure it out because it's the first one. And oddly enough, the music goes away. So I thought I would come on and do this Get Ready With Me and somewhat of a Q&A. I've been getting a lot of questions and whatnot, so I thought I'd get on here and I would just basically answer them. So a lot of people have been really concerned because I'm not posting the way I was posting when I first started. And one of the things that I should probably point out at this point is that my very first video I know nothing, like absolutely nothing. I don't know anything about film. I know nothing about lighting. I know nothing about editing. I know nothing about music other than the fact that it sounds good. And I'm sitting here doing every single one of those things by myself. I'm producing the videos. I'm editing the videos. I'm keeping track of the videos. I'm doing it all by myself. And keep in mind, this channel is about somebody with a TBI. So to be doing all that stuff by yourself, along with normal, average, everyday things like doctor's appointments and, I don't know, ballet, soccer, I don't know your routine, but I'm sure that you got a life somewhere outside of sitting here watching me slap some makeup on my face. Maybe you go to work. Maybe you're trying to start a business. Congratulations. This is a good year to do that. But I know nothing, like genuinely. So for me to do this channel and learn about all these things, slap up videos, clean the house, maintain my own personal life that has nothing to do with YouTube, it's stressful and incredibly difficult. I have been attempting to upgrade my skills when I'm not around. Eventually, I will get back into what I was doing before, but what I genuinely want to do and what I'm genuinely attempting to do is learn this platform. This platform is for content creators. And I understand, like, not all of us kind of popped out of some random guru location and just automatically knew how to film and knew how to do all this stuff. But I'm trying to do this with a head injury that doesn't allow for me to genuinely take on that information as quickly as I would like it to be taken on. Does not mean I can't learn it, because I am. Some of my videos are improving. Some of my videos, actually, like this one, has a really cool intro to it that I've never had before. By the way, if you watch the intros from here on out, they will actually consist of when I upload and the times I upload. So that should help, and I will also continue to put them at the end like I always have. Lately I haven't, because I knew I was going to be posting these videos with that information. So the videos I've got, yeah, there's like 4 of them that don't got it. But I will start putting that information up so that everybody knows when I'm uploading and how I'm uploading. I am probably going to continue with the chaotic schedule just a little bit longer as I still continue to learn. And then I also have, if it's on the wrong side, just know that it's up here somewhere. There should be this little thing that comes out. This video here, explains that there's a new addition to my channel, and videos like this will no longer be made due to that addition. So if I'm sick and unable to post, it's going to go in there. If there's a new video that's coming out, hey, new video coming out, stay tuned, MIT Monday or Fact Friday, or it'll all be put into there from now on, and that I'm not making videos like this anymore. I would much rather use the platform for utilizing the information it's intended for. My MIT Mondays are my most important task Mondays, which are usually my cleaning videos. So those are the videos where I'm teaching you how to do normal, average, everyday things, cooking, cleaning, routines, things like that. And then my Fact Friday videos are the videos where it's like the amazing brain videos that will actually teach you more in depth about the TBI and what that entails. My last one was the parietal lobe, and it did better than I thought it was going to. I didn't think that the parietal lobe was going to do as good. My next one is going to be the occipital lobe, which actually deals with vision. And that one's going to be a little bit tougher for me to be able to put out, as the information isn't like the rest of it. So I'm trying to figure out how to get that video out. Also, since I'm on the topic of videos, I'm going to be rolling out all the videos that I had promised back in 2022. So the video that I put out about what's left of 2022. So I'm just going to basically slap them up. I'll edit them, but they're not going to be like the videos that I'm going to be rolling out coming up. I actually have a benefit, I guess, that I didn't intend. I didn't expect this to happen. I was totally, completely thrown off guard when it happened. and quite honestly was shocked. I don't think this person knew that I was genuinely shocked that this was being offered to me. But I'm not going to say I'm not grateful, because to actually have something put into my corner finally that will help me improve the channel and hopefully get it to where I want it to be is incredibly I'm speechless. It is incredibly amazing to me. This person actually sees the potential in the channel and what the benefit can actually be. It was actually part of the conversation that we had both had when they were explaining a lot of what they want to do and how they want to do it. I'm actually thinking about turning this into a study. I want to try and see how that looks. So if you've gotten this far and you just now notice that I'm in a study, then I successfully did it. I'm so excited. I'm doing my makeup in a study. Maybe I'll do one of like those old men studies, you know, like you would see in old movies, kind of like back in Titanic, that type of study. That would be kind of cool. I want one of those. Maybe one day my channel will take off, I'll be rich and I'll have that cool study. I've always wanted one, just to be able to have one of those great big huge, I don't know, I think they're oak. Those oak desks, tables, one of them. That's totally my goal. Just not my goal today. I also have some other really cool videos that I'm going to be posting this year. Let me know down below if you guys, let me know down below if you enjoyed when I did what's coming, so the video here, and I know I just did it, but that video. If you guys enjoyed that and if it was beneficial in any way, leave that comment down below so that I know if I should post that one. I don't know. You'll probably see this in a lot more videos because I'm so addicted to it. I'm going to put that right here on taking a much different career before the injury. I'm not doing too bad. I mean, I'm doing pretty good. The only problem is that my niche is really unique. There isn't a lot of videos like mine. I wouldn't necessarily say that. There are videos about TBIs, but there isn't a lot of videos that do what my videos do. And so it makes my niche and my idea unique, and so it makes it very hard for me to grow because of that. And I'm fine with that, because honestly, to tell you the truth, having something unique and being the first one on the platform to do it, or what my personal searches have found, being the first person on the platform to do it, makes me really happy, because I'm really hoping that somewhere along the way I'm inspiring you to do the same thing. You know, maybe you're struggling and you want people to know da-da-da-da-da. And then you start your own YouTube channel. Or maybe you're a caregiver who wants to start your own channel and be like, look, I'm struggling here. I need some help. My most important task today, survive. That's fair. I love these. But life is crazy and life is what it is. And it's not going to stop just because you got 101 things to do. You just keep on rolling and pray to God is enough, and that tomorrow you've learned your lesson. This beautiful, beautiful woman I met in my life, she taught me this cutesy little secret, okay? I need you to get a pen and paper. Here's the best advice I ever give you. Genuinely, you could just go back and watch the video. She told me, yesterday is history. What did you learn from it? I never sat there to think about stuff like this. The heck? But I do it. So just in case you all want to know, yesterday was Tuesday. I learned how to relax. I learned how to relax and still get stuff done. That's a trick all by itself, I'm telling you. As like some kind of like universal joke. I didn't get anything done yesterday, but I did manage to get the important things done that I needed to get done, which is why I'm doing the laundry and the dishes today, even though the dishwasher I was unaware that you put laundry in dishes and you put dishes in laundry. So I have a bunch of broken glass. No, you put laundry in laundry and dishes in dishes. Got it. So that's why I'm doing this today instead of what I should have been doing. I think I should title this video, How to Survive the Life of TVI Journey. Anyways. Okay, I am going to finish up the rest of this makeup look because it's starting to get really lengthy on this video. And I didn't intend the video to be so long. I just wanted to do a short video. So I'm going to go ahead and finish that up off camera, and then when I have the when I have the completed look, I will be back to wrap up this video. And here's the completed look. I'm taking this video over to the editing board, and we'll catch you when it posts. Bye!